Hello friends, welcome to my creative, innovative and popular educational channel to watch more creative videos on React with Flask. It has been very long time since I am doing videos on Flask with React. It is really not that much easy. As we have gone through many videos on Flask with React, such as Flask connection with React.js, we have seen Flask login tutorial using JWT authentication. We have also seen Flask and MySQL and insert operation with React.js. And we have seen curl operation using Flask with React.js. Today's video is really interesting and creative. It is all about full stack using Flask with React.js, but now it is not MySQL, it is MongoDB. So let us go through the program. Here I use MongoDB connection string. So we can see here a very small code can do the lot of work in Flask in Python. Very small code. So I will execute the program. Sorry. Yes, backend executed successfully. Front end. So a nice screen is displayed in front of you. So that is the speciality of React. So lot of template engines are used and in this React. So I will add Node.js web development. Yes, it has been added. Now React.js web development. So it has been added. Now delete. Yes. So I successfully done with full stack application using Flask with React.js. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on React.js. If possible only React.js, if possible only Node Flask. So please subscribe my channel so I can show you more videos on Python with React.js, Python with Flask with MongoDB using React.js and Fast API and Stimulite and machine learning and Node.js web development and React.js. So for latest update about web development and machine learning, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for